What if one of the most refreshing, energizing, and naturally cleansing drinks could be made right in your kitchen, in just 2 minutes? No fancy equipment, no expensive ingredients, just simple, healthy food that works. Stay with me because in this video I'll show you exactly how to make a healthy beetroot juice that's fast, delicious, and backed by real science. This is not one of those complicated recipes you'll forget tomorrow. This one's so easy that you can make it every single day, even on your busiest mornings. Let's get straight into it. You'll only need 4 ingredients: 1 medium fresh beetroot, half a lemon, a small piece of ginger, and 1 apple or carrot for sweetness. That's it. Simple, clean, powerful ingredients. Wash them well because you'll use the skin. That's where much of the fiber and antioxidants live. If you're juicing, add the beet first, then apple, ginger, and finish with lemon. If you're blending, chop everything into small chunks, add half a cup of cold water, and blend until smooth. Then strain through a nut milk bag or fine mesh, and pour into a glass. In less than 2 minutes you'll have a deep ruby red drink bursting with nutrients and natural sweetness. Before we talk about what this juice can do for you, a quick professional note: this video is for educational and lifestyle purposes only. It's not medical advice. If you have a health condition or take medication, check with your healthcare provider before changing your diet. Now take a sip. The flavor is earthy, sweet, and fresh all at once. That color, it's not just pretty, it's packed with betalains, natural plant pigments that support your body's detox and repair processes. Before we go deeper, I'd love to ask, if you enjoy practical, real food recipes like this one, subscribe to Creative Healthy Tips. Every week we share simple ways to use everyday foods to stay energized, feel lighter, and live healthier. Go ahead and hit that button. It tells YouTube that you like this kind of content and helps us reach more people who want real food, real results. Alright, let's look at why this 2-minute recipe has become such a morning favorite for so many. Section 1. The science behind the sip beets are rich in natural nitrates. When you drink beetroot juice, those nitrates convert to nitric oxide, a compound that helps your blood vessels relax and improves oxygen flow. That's why athletes often drink beet juice before training. It helps support endurance, focus, and steady energy, without caffeine or crashes. Lemon adds vitamin C, which helps your body absorb plant-based iron more efficiently. Ginger provides a gentle spice that supports digestion and circulation. And the apple or carrot gives you a natural sweetness while adding polyphenols, antioxidants that protect your cells from everyday stress. When you put these together, you get a blend that supports circulation, energy, and natural cleansing, all from ingredients that cost less than $1 a glass. Section 2. The taste and texture. People often ask, what does beet juice really taste like? Think of it as slightly earthy, lightly sweet, with a refreshing citrus zing. The ginger gives a warm aftertaste that feels soothing rather than spicy. If you've ever felt turned off by raw beet flavor, try adding a few ice cubes and chilling it. The taste smooths out beautifully. You can even add mint leaves or a slice of orange for an extra layer of freshness. And here's a little secret. If you like experimenting, try blending in a piece of cucumber or watermelon during summer. They make the juice lighter and extra hydrating. Section 3. How to make it a daily habit. The best time to drink it is first thing in the morning before breakfast. That's when your stomach is empty and ready to absorb nutrients quickly. Alternatively, you can drink it 30 minutes before a workout for a natural energy lift. Most people notice subtle changes after a few days: smoother energy, a lighter feeling after meals, and sometimes a healthy skin glow. Not magic, just good nutrition doing its job. Consistency matters more than perfection here. Even 3 times a week makes a difference. Speaking of your experience, I'd love to hear your take. Have you tried beet juice before? What do you mix with yours? Apple, carrot, orange, or something else? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Your ideas help others discover new flavor combinations that might become their next favorite recipe. Section 4. What happens inside your body. Let's take a moment to appreciate what happens when you drink this. Your digestive system starts by breaking down the fiber, allowing slow, steady nutrient release. Meanwhile, nitric oxide increases blood flow, meaning your heart, brain, and muscles get more oxygen. You might feel clearer, more awake, and better able to focus. Beets also contain folate, manganese, and potassium, essential for nerve and muscle function. Over time, including this juice in your week supports a balanced, nutrient-rich diet without complicated supplements. And remember those pigments that make your juice so bright? They're also responsible for helping your liver process waste and neutralize free radicals. It's the body's natural detox system working the way it's supposed to. Section 5. Common questions. Now, some quick answers to the questions people usually ask. Can you drink it every day? Yes, in moderate amounts. A small glass a day is perfectly fine for most adults. If you notice pinkish urine or stool, don't worry. That's just the beet pigments leaving your body. Can I make it ahead of time? Yes, but for best taste and nutrients, drink it within 24 hours. Store in a glass jar with a tight lid, refrigerate, and shake before serving. Can I replace breakfast with it? Not quite. It's best as a complement, not a replacement. Try pairing it with a small handful of nuts, oatmeal, or boiled eggs for a balanced start. Section 6. Nutritional Snapshot. Let's break down the nutrients per serving. One medium beet provides around 35 calories, rich in folate and potassium. Apple or carrot adds about 50 calories plus fiber and vitamin A. Ginger contributes antioxidants and digestive support. Lemon adds vitamin C and freshness. Altogether, it's roughly 120 calories, light, energizing, and nutrient-dense. It's a smart swap for sugar-filled juices or energy drinks. You get flavor, color, and benefits, all from real food. Section 7. How to adjust the recipe. You can customize the ratio to fit your taste. If you prefer a milder flavor, use half a beet and add extra apple. If you like it bold, use a full beet and less fruit. Want a smoothie version? Keep the pulp instead of straining. That gives you extra fiber to keep you full longer. A splash of coconut water makes it tropical. A pinch of black pepper enhances nutrient absorption. You're not locked into one version. Experiment until you find the balance that makes you look forward to it. Section 8. Real people, real results. Many viewers have written in saying this simple morning juice became their favorite ritual. Rosa, 58, from Florida said she started drinking beet juice 3 times a week and felt more energetic during her walks. James, 42, shared that replacing his afternoon soda with beet juice helped him stay focused through long workdays. And Anita from the Philippines said her skin felt smoother after 2 weeks. These stories remind us that small, consistent habits truly add up. Section 9. The 7-Day Challenge. Here's a fun idea. Try this. Make beetroot juice every morning for the next 7 days. Take a photo of your drink on day 1 and day 7 and compare the color of your skin tone, the brightness of your eyes, or even how you feel mid-afternoon. You might be surprised by the difference. When you do, share your results in the comments or tag Creative Healthy Tips on social media. We love seeing your progress. Section 10. Quick recap. Let's quickly recap everything. 1 beet, 1 apple or carrot, a piece of ginger, and half a lemon. Juice or blend, strain, and pour. Drink it fresh for best results. Rich color means rich nutrients, and this simple habit supports energy, focus, and natural cleansing. You've just learned one of the easiest, healthiest 2-minute recipes you can keep for life. It's affordable, realistic, and grounded in real food nutrition. If you want to see this process in action, check out the shorts linked below. They show every step visually, so you can follow along even faster. Final message. Healthy living doesn't have to be complicated. It starts with one small change, like making this juice part of your routine. So here's your next step. Go watch the short version of this recipe linked below, then try it yourself and tell me how it turned out. Did you change the ingredients? Add your twist? Let me know in the comments. Your ideas inspire others to experiment too. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Creative Healthy Tips for more simple, science-based recipes every week. Because when you eat real food, you create real change. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.